Hi, this is Snehal with Outdoo. Here's a common problem with coaching. You give feedback, but reps don't know how to fix it. There's a gap between what went wrong and what to do next. In Outdoo, every scorecard entry now includes a resource. That means if a rep is struggling with discovery, they don't just get a score, they get the exact playbook section, the framework, the guidance to improve right there inside the feedback. So coaching becomes not just an evaluation, it becomes guided improvement. This creates consistency across the team. So let's just quickly look at how you can actually attach a resource to a scorecard. To do that, you need to go to the scorecard section. You can create a scorecard either using AI or create it completely manual. So we'll enter the scorecard title and a quick objective, and then attach the resource which you have created or your enablement team has provided, and then hit publish. And that's it. The scorecard is now created. You can attach the scorecard to the roleplay agent, and your team will be evaluated on the basis of the scorecard, and they will be given feedback and recommendations from the document that has been attached. If it's your framework, your methodology, they will be given exact playbook section. They will be given exact guidance as per the document.